Hey guys, I'm Sean.
And I'm Madison.
What are you doing?
I was looking at the trailer of Phoenix Forgotten.
Phoenix Forgotten. She really wants to see that. Kind of looks scary.
No, it's pretty cool.
It does. It does. So we have mystery box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? I think I might know, but she doesn't know.
I have no idea. He won't tell me.
No. Let it be a surprise, right? Every now and then. So let's open it up. And we got our other little special guest. How you doing? There she is. Dun, dun, dun.
And of course, it's probably going to be filled with just a bunch of paper.
Haha. Wouldn't that be fun to do?
Oh, that's gnarly. They're just like filled with a bunch of paper.
It's a family show.
Okay. Oh, there's another box.
And a box.
What is it?
It's an electric kettle.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, what happened? Did you change?
I did. I was like, that.
How'd you change clothes?
Well, it's been a while, but I ran out of storage on my camera, so. Hey, but we're back, and we still haven't opened that.
Yeah.
Yep, so
What is
as
it?
we were saying, it's an electric kettle, and it's stainless steel, and
I'm not quite sure how to say that, and that was kind of the fun of getting that, because I mean, it's AICOK. It's AICOK. Family show.
it was
Too many things to like,
made
too
in
many
China.
places to go that way. I don't know. So let's open it up and see. Ooh, we had one. It took a dump on us. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, hey, chill. Knife safety, man. It's gonna reach out and grab the knife. I'm gonna try.
Oh my God.
Don't try to mug her. She'll just grab the knife. So we had one, and it worked great, but it took a dive on us. It wasn't double walled. This one's supposed to be double walled, so we're gonna run some tests to see how long it takes to boil water when it's full.
Versus our Keurig.
Keurigs are quick, but they're single cup, and you have to like keep putting it in, one at a time. Where this is a much larger capacity,
Who shapes it
and
this much?
I don't know. People who want to make sure it doesn't come out of the brown paper box, cardboard box. So obviously the box isn't too much to look at, but I mean, when you do online shopping and stuff like that for yourself, who really cares exactly how fancy the box is, unless you're going to give it as a gift.
More.
But hey,
Okay.
let's see what it is. Let's see this.
So,
Ooh.
that's nice. So you've got the kettle, of course, and on the side it has.
I like how they package that part
charging case
on a little
and
pad.
a little thing, so it doesn't scratch probably.
No, I'm going to do this. And just to show you, this was our other one that we had right here. Still got water in it, but you put it in, turn it on, and nothing happens now.
Hey, look at this.
So let's take a look. It's supposed to be double walled, 1.7 liters, which that one was as well. There's your on-off on the bottom.
On this thing, on the back, you can twist it around so that if you have it close to a plug, there's not like this giant wire
That's cool.
coming out.
I like that. So adjustable length on the cord base, so you don't have either none of it or 4 feet of it sticking out. And a fancy, look at that. Custom piece of tape on the top. We'll get rid of that.
There.
Woo!
Look at the inside.
What? Yeah, it's got the little mesh right there, so any debris that's inside, if you have dirty coffee or something. Oh, that's what that button's for. Look at that.
Of course.
Well, this one was the power button, so don't say of course.
Oh.
Yep. So it's got a mesh screen on the inside. See if we can pop that out.
So.
And there's a mesh screen. So this is gonna help if maybe you got a lot of minerals or deposits in your water. This is going to slip into the kettle and just make sure that none of the gunk comes out of your, thanks. So none of the gunk comes out of here. No, pretty sure. No, I had it the right way.
No, it's upside down.
No, it goes
No?
like that.
Oh,
Yeah, so you can press it.
confusing. I couldn't get it.
I had it right. That's what happens when I listen to a teenager.
I'm not a
Preteen.
teenager.
You act like it. Soon. Soon.
Far away.
All right. So again, we're gonna run some tests. We're gonna see how long it takes to boil water and how hot the exterior gets. Ready?
Oh, look it. I found the on and off switch. It's
I already
like this-
showed him that.
Oh.
She was too busy looking at like that guy. All right. So here we have it set up. It's got, okay, maybe a smidge over 1.7 liters. Current temperature of the exterior is 77 degrees. It's a nice, beautiful day here in California. Just to kind of see as well. Yeah, it's about the same temperature as the iPad sitting at our room temperature. Like I said, it's pretty nice. So let's turn this thing on. There we go. Ooh, has a nice little light inside of it. Ooh, start that.
So yeah.
It's done. I'm just gonna watch.
No, it is.
And it's off. So stop the clock. Just a little under 7 minutes, which is a hair faster than the other one that we had. And quicker than doing it on our electric stovetop. Let's take a temperature reading of the inside. Ooh, steam is hot, of course. Dun, 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 dun. Just drop that down in there. Yeah, it's over temperature. You wouldn't cook your meat this hot. Sorry about the noise.
Why does it say lamb?
Nah, I was just setting it was that. So over 200 degrees. Awesome. Exterior. It's pretty hot to the touch. It's reading at, yeah, you can see 107 degrees, 110. It's pretty hot. Still wouldn't want to touch the exterior of this at all. But it's quick, slim, sleek design. All right. So how's the hot chocolate?
It's good.
Does it taste hot?
No.
All right. So it seems to work. I like the design, like how it automatically shuts off. The handle doesn't get hot. I did look it back up. It's not double walled. It's just a very durable container, being that it's the 304 brushed stainless steel.
It's still nice.
It is. One nice thing about that it has too is you don't have to put it back on the base. The bottom doesn't get hot, and you can see like there's these little tabs, so it keeps it up. So once you get it hot, you can go ahead and put it down somewhere, and you don't have to worry about burning or ruining the countertop or table.
Yep. So
So you
we
can-
have a lot of wood around here, so that's really nice.
a lot of wood. You know, our countertops aren't, but our tables and stuff are. So for holidays and things like that, you can get the water going, or just for dinner time, and to bring the whole tea kettle or water pot to the table. Sorry, I blocked your view there. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So seems pretty good. We'll see how long it lasts, but so far pretty impressed. It's like a minute quicker than our other one. Holds the same capacity. Doesn't get hot on the bottom. Easy open. Boop. Nice little mesh filter in there. And it's working, so that's definitely a plus.
Yeah. I
Definitely
mean, it's
a
good
plus.
that it works. And then another nice thing about it is that you don't have to take turns. It's just whoever first grabs it. So yeah.
Well, you still have to take turns then.
Well, it's not like the Keurig where like you can have 10 people online and it takes forever. And then
Oh, it does. Yes, the Keurig does. This is pour and go
Yeah.
with a cool little view window. Woo. See ya. So until next time, remember to,
Like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions.
yeah, hopefully you found this helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Let's do my math.